Jai Hind, I'm Vedana Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to the complete question answer of the unit Beyond Earth. The question, the chapter, this video is for class 6 for science student. Here different types of questions are here and we'll write the answer one by one. In the first type of question is MCQ type questions are here. Means choose the correct answer among the four options. There you have to select the correct answer only. So actually I'm making the fast video because we have not more time. That's why I'm reading out the only and only answer, and it would be better for you to for the quick revision. So first is, which of the following is the highest star in the brightest star in the night sky? The answer is Sirius. That is the B is the correct option. Now the next question is, what is primary purpose of artificial satellite? The primary purpose is to aid in communication, navigate and research. The next question is, which constellation is known as the Great Bear? Among the four options, that is the Ursa Major is the correct answer. So B is the correct option. Now the next is, which celestial object is also referred as a dirty snowball? Among the answer is, that is the comet. B is the correct option for the question. Now the next type of question, next question is, what galaxy is a home to the solar system? That is the Milky Way galaxy. So B is the correct answer among the given option. Now the next is, fill in the blanks. Means statements are given here and we have to fill the proper word with the blank space. The first is, the constellation Orion, also known as the Hunters, has belt formed by three brightest stars. Next is, the moon located approximately 384,400 km from Earth and is its only natural satellite. Moon is a natural satellite to Earth. Next is, the comet are icy celestial body that develops growing tails and approaches the sun. The next is, the largest non asteroid in the solar system is Ceres. The next is, fill in the blanks. Means statements are there here and we have to choose whether this statement true or false. The first is, Sirius is the brightest star visible in the night sky. Yes, this is true. The next is, artificial satellites can only orbit Earth and no other celestial body. No, this is false. The next is, the moon has no atmosphere causing extreme temperature variation. That is yes, true. Next is, comets remains visible even when they moves from far away from the sun. No, this is false. The next is, the Milky Way galaxy is older than a universe itself. False. Now the next question is, define the following terms. Here terms are given here and on the basis of the term we have to give the proper definition. The first is constellations. Group of stars that forms patterns in the sky. Next is natural satellite. Object like moon that orbit around a planet. Now the next is artificial satellite. Man-made machines sent to space for communication and study. That is called artificial satellite. The next is light pollution. The too much light in the sky from the city that makes the stars hard to see. That is called light pollution. Now the next is telescope, a tools that helps us see far away object in the sky. That is the telescope. Now the next is match the column. This column A and column B are here. I have not written. And the column A there is a statement and the column B that written the correct answer. The first is constellation form the patterns used for navigation and study. Next is Milky Way galaxy, spiral galaxy containing the solar system. Next is artificial intelligence satellite, that is machine launched for the communication and research. Next is comets, develops a growing tails when near a sun. So D is the correct answer. And the moon, the earth only natural satellite. So these are the correct answer. Means A, B, C, D, E. So it will be better for you to revision. The next is, give the reason for the following statements. Means statements are given here, 5 statements. We have to give the correct reason for the each statement. The first is, the polar stars has been a reliable guide for navigation for centuries. The reason is, it is because it always stays in the same position in the sky as so direction. Next is, artificial satellites are vital for modern communication and weather forecasting. The reason is, they help us talk over a long distance and give us weather information. The next is, light pollution affects the visibility of celestial objects in the urban area? The answer is uh, bright city light makes it hard to see stars and planets in the sky. The next statement is telescope has revolutionized astronomy and the study of the universe. The reason is telescope helps scientists and see far away stars, planets, and galaxies clearly. The next statement is the Milky Way galaxy is important for understanding the structure of solar system. The answer is it is because it is a galaxy where our solar system is located and help us to learn more about the space. Now the next question is answer in brief. These questions are here given here and we have to give the answer in brief. The first question is what is constellation and how are they used in navigation? Constellation is a group of stars that forms patterns and sailors and travelers use them to find the direction in the night. And the next question is name two key differences between natural and artificial satellite. Natural satellites like moons are made by nature and the artificial satellites are made by humans and launched into the space. The next question is why does the moon experiences extreme temperature variation? Okay, the answer of the question is the moon has no atmosphere to keep heat. So it's very hot during the day and very cold at night. Now the next question is, fourth number question is it, what role do telescope play in observing the night sky? The answer of the question is the telescope helps us see stars, planet and other space objects clearly and closely. The next question is explain the significance of comets in the understanding the solar systems. The answer of the question is comets are made of ice and dust. They help scientists to learn about learn early about the solar system. Means generally we can scientists get early information about the solar system with the help of comets solar system about. The next is this is the answer in detail. We have to give the detailed answer, write the detailed answer. First question is compare and contrast the features of natural and artificial satellite with examples. The answer is natural satellites like moon are made by nature and orbit planets. The next is artificial satellites like weather or TV satellites are made by humans to help with communication and research and more. The next is discuss the impact of light pollution on stargazing and suggest ways to reduce it. The next answer is light pollution makes it hard to see stars in the sky. To reduce it, we can use fewer bright light and turns off unnecessary outdoor light at night. The next is question is explain the differences between the inner and outer planet of a solar system. The answer is inner planet like Earth and Mars are small and rocky, where outer planets like Jupiter and Saturn are big and made mostly of gases. These are the major differences. Now the next question is describe the importance of sun in sustaining life on Earth and role in the solar system. The answer of the question is the sun gives us light and heat which helps plants grow and keeps Earth warm, and it also helps all planets in orbit. Now the next question is how do astronomers use telescope to study distant solar stars and galaxies? The answer is that telescope collects light from far away objects and makes them look closer and clearly, helping scientists and study space. With this in Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.